friends, my name is Yvette of Yvette Creates, and I am part of the Not Too Shabby Shop design team. Today's video is going to be a quick one, as I'm going to just show you how I put together one card using a card sketch and some of the paper from the Arctic Critters paper pad, as well as the coordinating ephemera. Arctic Critters paper pad was part of what was in this month's Paper Pad of the Month Club. And these papers are just adorable. So I have my papers and matte layers all cut out for the card I'm going to make. And I did make a few already. But I am using the December 2023 Sheetload of Cards sketch from Alicia of Call Me Crafty Al. So we're going to go ahead and put our card together, and then I'll show you all the cards that I did make. Now I am using a black card base, so because of that, I do cut out a white matte layer to put on the inside. That way it's easier to write my message to the recipient. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on right on the inside with a small border around it. So that matte layer I cut to 4 by 5 1/4. And then I did grab some pieces of ephemera. I used a circle punch to cut this circle, then trimmed off the bottom. I used a stamp set I had in my stash. And let's get our papers matted. Now I am using this metallic paper for my matte layers. I'm going to kind of put them off camera for a bit because it reflects the lights pretty brightly, and I don't think you want to be seeing the reflection of my lights. And look how pretty that looks with that metallic border. Really pretty. So we'll do the same with our next piece of patterned paper. And I love this sketch because you get 2 cards out of one piece of 6 by 6 paper and no scraps. So that is perfect. Let's get this one matted on to our other layer. Yep. And then we'll go ahead and attach to our card base. Now I am going to be sure to link to the products I'm using in the description box below, and to the Not Too Shabby shop, so that you can take a look and possibly join the Paper Pad of the Month Club. You get some really pretty papers, and you get an amazing discount when you subscribe. So let's flip this on real quickly. And we'll attach our little sentiment. And I'm putting it slightly under this metallic layer, just where I cut it. And then I can add my little ephemera. So I wasn't sure if I wanted those larger leaves. I think I'm going to use the smaller ones right there. Yeah, that's what I want to do. So let me use my liquid glue to attach a couple of these. So I'm going to attach the leaves, and then one of the flowers right about there, and then I'll use some foam tape right there. Look how pretty that is. Now let me show you my other cards that I made. So I used 6 sheets of the pattern paper from the paper pad to make my cards. So let me show you what I have. And aren't they pretty? I mean, I used the same metallic matte layer, and it looks pretty whether you're using the pinks or the blues. It looks so pretty. Look at those little penguins and little walruses. They're so cute. I hope I was able to provide you with some inspiration today using one of the paper pads from this month's Paper Pad of the Month Club. Thanks for watching. Bye.